Howdy, players. Well, I'm at it again. He's at it again, but I got a little more experience with it now. This right here, bottle of, and I was wondering, now how much of this stuff should I use to make me 1 gallon if I got me a generic thing? I didn't have no idea, but now I do, because I'm going to save this can. But anyway, it comes with a thing of cleanser, and it ought to be fun. Figured out my new doohickey. I got one of them things that you can siphon the bottle out. I got enough bottles to fill up. I'll see how many it's going to take to fill this up. So, yeah, let's get busy. The directions say to take this and put it in 3 cups of boiling water on the stove, and then fill this up halfway. And what I'm going to do is fill it up all the way with good, clean, fresh water. And it says on here to make sure that you pitch your yeast between 64 and 82. There it is right there. Premium brewing yeast, 2 grams. So now I know how much yeast to add to one of these. I want to tell y'all what, this did such a wonderful job pumping that liquid into all them bottles without hardly spilling any of it. So all these bottles are full of sanitizer. Pour this liquid in here. Yeah. Yeah. Up to boiling temperature. Off the fire. We're gonna pour this stuff, thick as molasses candy, in here. Now, it smells mighty good. You notice what I'm drinking right now, don't you? I thought I might go ahead on and put this pot in this bowl of cold water here. 120. That's not enough to break that glass. Plus it's going to be added to that liquid. And here's my problem. I'm in Mobile, Alabama. Okay, that water's coming right out of the tap. It's 77. It's 77. No damn wonder none of my beer will work. It's already almost too high to pitch at Luke. I won't pour it all in there at once. I'll just pour a little bit in there and let the jug get happy with that much. $91, $92. See, that's too hot. All right. You have entered the inner sanctum lair. PawPaw's beer making. Now what I've did was I took some frozen packs and stuck them down here to try to help cool it down. But it's already been an hour. We got 85. I'll wait another hour. Several hours later, $78, between 64 and 82. So I'm gonna go ahead on pitch and put the airlock. She's plugging right along this morning. Alright, so this is the final product. It's taken about a week to brew, a week in the bottle. See what it does. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Am I recording this? Am I recording this? Am I recording this? Oh. What the heck? Check the head on that, Martha. Give her a taste. Ah, dang. I made that. I made that. That is so fabulous. Oatmeal Stout. Brew Demon. My goodness. Wow. Golly. Look at that. It got bite. It's got a caramel flavor. It ain't wangy. It ain't hoppy. It ain't stinky. Ah, damn! Winner, winner. Oatmeal Stout dinner. Hell yeah. Man, that is so good. That is fabulous. That's beer. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Wow.